Hi guys, today I'll show you some troubleshooting tips on how to fix the multiple warning lights in the dash of your Honda Civic 2016 to 21. This also works on other Honda vehicles like CR-V, Pilot, Odyssey. And these warning lights usually it happens when you replace the engine filter, do a change oil, or you put some aftermarket parts, or the car battery is just low. And in my case, I just cleaned the engine bay and washed the engine filter when those lights came out. So all I did was to reset the head unit. Until now it's okay, no issues, it's running well as it should. And the link to the head unit reset is at the description box down below if you're interested, and if you want to watch what I did. As I was saying, do these troubleshooting steps first before bringing your car to the shop or dealership. This could save you hundreds of dollars on unnecessary fixes. Remember, just the diagnostics alone will cost you $100 plus. So doing it yourself first is your best option if you want to save. Okay, first thing you need to do when those lights came on is to check the battery. Remember that the car battery is one of the electrical system's most critical part. Just buy a multimeter. It's like this. It's cheap. You can buy it for 10 to 20 bucks depending on the brand. Make sure that your battery is at 12.6 volts when you checked it. Okay, if it's lower than that, it needs replacement. And also consider the age of the battery. They are good for 3 to 5 years. After checking the battery, check also the wire connections like map sensors. Maybe something is loose, the car is vibrating constantly, you'll never know. That's why it's a good idea to check the wire connections once in a while. And for my last troubleshooting tip, although I don't recommend it, so do it at your own risk. Anyway, you can't break what's already broken, but you can make it worse, right? Check the fuse box. It's located at the engine bay. Look for the ECM or ECU fuse. Use a multimeter or a circuit tester. Check if the fuse, if it's okay or blown. If it's blown, replace it. But even if it's okay, pull it out and put it back in. Okay, and then just reset the head unit. And that is all for today. I hope this video helps. I hope you like it. And if you do, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way. And see you next time.